Good afternoon. My name is Ethan Centuria. With me today is Russell McLaughlin, my co-founder and CTO. We are Dealstruck, an online lender that provides small businesses with unique, appropriate, and affordable capital with honesty and transparency. At Dealstruck, we believe that small business financing should help borrowers have better control over their business, and that this financing should be easy to access and easy to use. We also realize that when it comes to small business lending, one size does not fit all, which is why we're the only marketplace lender to offer multiple types of credit lines in addition to traditional term loans. Our primary goal is to graduate our borrowers into consecutively healthier financial products over time, and our ultimate victory is to make them eligible for long-term financing at a bank or a credit union. Today, we're excited to unveil the Dealstruck Borrower Portal that allows our customers to easily control their line of credit and transparently access their account information. The Dealstruck Borrower Portal is completely mobile-friendly, so no matter where our customers are, they'll have easy access to money when they need it. To demonstrate the customer experience within our portal, we'll take you through a day in the life of an existing Dealstruck client. Christine and Rick are the founders of Eating Evolved, an organic dark chocolate company in New York that makes gluten, dairy, and soy-free dark chocolate. Despite its uniquely delicious product, Eating Evolved regularly runs into a classic cash flow gap. It must pay cash up front to manufacture and deliver its chocolate to retail grocers, who then take up to 90 days to make payment. This past February, Dealstruck provided Christine with a $60,000 term loan for expansion and a $50,000 revolving line of credit to help manage cash flow. Now, just yesterday, Eating Evolved won a contract that will require it to purchase an additional $15,000 of inventory this month. To finance this purchase, Christine will need to draw from her line of credit, so she heads over to Dealstruck.com. After she logs into her account, she lands on her overview screen, where she can see both her term loan and her line of credit. Now, Christine's line of credit is an asset-based line of credit that allows her to borrow funds based on the outstanding balance of her accounts receivable. As she generates new invoices, her available credit increases. As these invoices pay down, collections are immediately applied against her outstanding balance, ensuring that she only pays interest on the actual amount of funds that she needs to use. With a Dealstruck line of credit, Christine simply instructs her customers to direct payment to a new Wells Fargo bank account set up just for her and in her business's name, and she's ready to go. When she clicks into her line of credit, she lands on her dashboard, where she has transparent access to all the relevant information she needs to easily control her line of credit, including her outstanding balance, her remaining availability, and the dollar amount and number of payments she's received into her pass-through account. Her account updates automatically every night through direct integration with her QuickBooks, as well as with our banking partner. The first thing that she sees on her dashboard is that she's received 2 new payments into her pass-through account for a total of about $9,500. Rather than spend time opening envelopes, handling paper checks, depositing them at the bank, and then writing a check to pay down her line of credit, our borrower portal allows Christine to immediately apply these collections to her balance and to keep her billing information up to date. So she clicks on Accept Payments to match the payment she's received with their associated invoices. Christine still has full control and visibility into which payments are being made to her business without the hassle of paper and trips to the bank. She's shown each of the new payments from her customers that have arrived into her pass-through account as they're scanned in real time by Wells Fargo. We use digitally captured data from the checks in order to provide payment detail, as well as to search for invoices that likely match this payment. Here, a $500 check is matched to a single invoice from the list below. In some cases, a single payment may satisfy more than one invoice, so Christine can match multiple invoices to a single check received, here, for example, $9,000. Once the check is fully matched, she's notified and moves on. After Christine ties all of her outstanding checks and electronic payments to their associated invoices, she's shown a summary report of these payments that she can print or save as PDF. So before, her balance was about $36,000, but after reconciling recent collections from her customers, her balance is now just about $27,000. Now that she's paid down the balance of her line, she wants to make sure that all of her new billings are reflected in her account to maximize her borrowing capacity. After auto-refreshing her invoice detail directly from her QuickBooks overnight, Christine's borrower portal notifies her that she has new customers that she needs to identify. She clicks on Identify New Customers and proceeds to verify their identity quickly and easily using integration with Cortera Business Credit Services. She simply selects the correct customer from a list based on business address, and we provide her with a mini credit report on that customer. This report gives Christine data directly from the credit bureaus regarding her customers' trade credit rating, repayment trends, and details on outstanding invoices with other vendors. She's happy to see here that Chapman Manufacturing is a good partner for Eating Evolved. Now, the process of identifying customers within the Dealstruck borrower portal provides Christine with transparency into the creditworthiness of her customers, maximizes the amount of her available credit, and helps Dealstruck manage its portfolio risk. After new customers are identified, their invoices are included in her borrowing base, increasing the amount available for draw from what was about $10,000 to now $17,000. The last thing left standing between Christine and a bulk purchase of inventory is for her to actually make a draw on her line of credit, so she clicks on Make a Draw and proceeds to enter the amount of her request. She sees a summary of the request that she's just made, and everything looks good. So all that's left is to select where she wants the funds sent and by which method, and if she submits before the cutoff time, she'll have money same day. The pending request will show up on her dashboard, and now Christine can breathe easy knowing she'll have plenty of inventory on hand to meet increased demand, with no hassle, no more underwriting, and no more document submission. Anytime her cash flow need reappears in the future, she can simply repeat the steps that we've just outlined, and she'll have cash on hand to keep her business running smoothly. At Dealstruck, we know that business owners have enough on their plate already, which is why we designed our borrower portal to be the industry's easiest and most transparent tool to help small businesses control their cash flow. And how's Christine doing now? We're happy to say that with their term loan and line of credit from Dealstruck, Eating Evolved has doubled its revenue, and 2015 is on track to be its best year yet. If you're interested to learn more about our line of credit products or how our borrower portal can complement your business lending efforts, or if you'd just like to know more about Dealstruck, please come visit us this afternoon. Thank you.